Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hello, little foodies. Welcome to our yummy alphabet adventure. Today, we're diving into the letters Y and Z with some amazing fruits. Are you ready for a tasty journey? Yay! Fantastic! Let's start with the letter Y. Can you think of a fruit that starts with Y? Youngberry. Brilliant. You're all top-notch taste detectives. Now, let's skip to the letter Z. What fruit do you know that starts with Z? Zapote. Let's jump on fruits. Young berries are not just a tasty treat. They're a berry blend that brings the magic of 3 berries into one delicious fruit. Enjoy your youngberry adventure. Youngberries love to be paired with other berries in recipes. They're like social butterflies of the berry world. Last is zapote fruit. Zapote fruits are not just delicious. They bring the exotic flavors of the tropics to your palate. Enjoy the zapote wonders. Let's have color in alphabets and fruits. First alphabet is Y. In Y alphabet we will use wine color. And the last alphabet is Z. In Z alphabet I am going to add dark blue color. First fruit is youngberry. The youngberry is like a magical mix of berries. It's a hybrid, which means it's created by combining the flavors of blackberries, raspberries, and dewberries. Youngberries are typically dark purple to black when ripe, resembling a blackberry. They're like little gems in the berry world. When you take a bite of a youngberry, get ready for a burst of sweet and juicy flavor. And last but not least fruit is zapote fruit. Zapote is a tropical fruit, meaning it loves warm climates. It's like a little taste of the tropics in your hands. Zapote fruits come in different colors, including brown, orange, or yellow. Each variety is like a colorful surprise in the fruit world. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.